Paint sprayers ensure faster painting, even coating, professional finish, and reduced effort and material waste. My today's video is about top 5 best car paint sprayers that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Fuji spray paint sprayers. This professional spray gun is a reliable tool designed for smooth, precise, and efficient painting results. It features a non-bleed design with adjustable pattern fan control, allowing users to fine-tune spray coverage for different surfaces and applications. The pre-installed 1.3mm air cap ensures consistent atomization, making it suitable for detailed work as well as broader coating tasks. The 1-quart bottom feed cup provides steady paint flow, reducing interruptions during use. Built with a durable metal turbine case and a convenient gun holder, it offers both protection and easy storage. The included 25-foot hose with an air control valve helps minimize overspray and bounceback, resulting in cleaner application and reduced material waste. Overall, this spray gun delivers professional-level performance, improved control, and user-friendly operation, making it a great choice for DIY projects, automotive work, and home improvement tasks requiring a smooth and even finish. Now our second product is InoKraft paint sprayers. This upgraded LVLP spray gun delivers strong professional performance with a focus on precision, efficiency, and comfort. Each unit is hand-tuned to ensure balanced airflow and stable atomization, producing an ultrafine mist and smooth, even spray pattern. The precision machine nozzle, needle, and air cap help achieve consistent results, making it suitable for both base coat and clear coat applications. Despite its capability, the gun remains extremely lightweight at just 340 g, reducing hand fatigue during long painting sessions and making it ideal for extended professional or DIY use. The low-pressure LVLP design improves transfer efficiency while minimizing overspray, helping save material and improve finish quality. Built with durable stainless steel fluid passages and corrosion-resistant components, it ensures long-term reliability and easy maintenance. The included 1.3B and 1.3C nozzles, along with regulator, PPS adapter, and cleaning tools, make it a complete and versatile kit for automotive, furniture, and general coating projects requiring a smooth, controlled finish. Our third product is Vonforn paint sprayers. This Vonforn 700W paint sprayer is a versatile and user-friendly tool designed for a wide range of DIY painting projects. It comes with 4 nozzle sizes, 1mm, 1.5mm, 2.0mm, and 3.0mm, allowing you to handle different surfaces such as furniture, fences, walls, doors, and garden equipment with ease. The 3 adjustable spray patterns, horizontal, vertical, and circular, provide excellent flexibility for achieving smooth and even coverage in various applications. Its built-in dust-blowing function helps clean surfaces before spraying, while the easy water flush cleaning system makes maintenance quick and hassle-free after use. The flow control knob allows precise adjustment of paint output, helping reduce waste and improve finish quality. Tool-free assembly makes it beginner-friendly, while included accessories like cleaning brushes, nozzle needle, and filters ensure complete usability. Overall, it is a practical, complete, and efficient paint sprayer ideal for home improvement and DIY projects. Now number 4, HomeRight paint sprayers. The HomeRight Super Finish Max paint sprayer is a powerful and versatile tool designed for a wide range of DIY painting projects. With 450 watts of spraying power, it handles everything from small furniture pieces to larger surfaces like fences, decks, cabinets, and dressers with ease. It supports multiple paint types, including latex, chalk paint, stains, primers, enamels, and sealers, making it highly flexible for different finishing needs. The adjustable air cap allows spraying in horizontal, vertical, and round patterns, while the material flow control knob gives precise control over paint output for a smooth, even finish. It comes with 3 durable brass spray tips, offering better performance and durability compared to plastic nozzles. The 4.0mm, 2.0mm, and 1.5mm tips provide excellent compatibility for different coatings. Overall, this sprayer delivers strong performance, fine control, and reliable results, making it a great choice for DIY enthusiasts and home improvement projects. And our last choice is Graco paint sprayers. This paint sprayer is a strong and practical choice for DIY homeowners and remodelers who need extra power and mobility for larger projects. It is designed to handle projects up to 10 gallons, making it suitable for fences, walls, decks, and multiple renovation tasks throughout the year. The fully adjustable pressure control gives excellent precision, allowing users to spray paints or stains unthinned at different pressure levels for a smooth and consistent finish. Its flexible suction tube is a convenient feature, letting you draw paint directly from 1 or 5-gallon buckets, which reduces refilling interruptions and improves efficiency. The system also supports up to 75 feet of paint hose, making it easy to reach high or distant areas such as second-story walls without losing performance. Overall, this sprayer offers powerful output, great flexibility, and user-friendly operation, making it a reliable solution for both large-scale home improvement and frequent DIY painting projects. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.